You know, I think it'll be a lot easier if I just unbolt this guy, and I think there'll be enough plate instead of just struggling with this. I'm just gonna take this bolt out, it's easy enough to do. Yeah, a lot easier instead of just trying to struggle with an inaccessible bolt head. I will use my stubby bit set with an impossibly long extension, which I don't really need for this purpose, but I can use. Let's see here, I'm gonna guess it's 6 millimeters, we'll see. How good is my guess? No, not even close. Whoa, dude. Okay, there it is. I had to pull that out.